Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift ng energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Okay, so let's see. Itong reading na to ay kasalukuyang full moon ngayon. December 27, cold moon natin. Let's see. Very intense. Wow! Four of Wands. First card pa lang natin, it's 11-11 card. So, marami na naman tayo nasagap dito na twin flames or in this twin flame journey. Okay, tingnan natin. The Hermit. The Knight of Pentacles. And the Fool card. We also have here, Tower. And the Five of Cups. The King of Wands. And the World. The world is falling apart without you daw. Wow. Two of Cups. Okay, so itong taong ito, hindi niya nakaya ha. Itong intense energy, lalo na ngayon at full moon. This person is crying, feeling devastated with this Tower card. No? Pinagsisisihan niya itong mga mistakes niya na nagawa niya in the past. Ang tagal niya nag-hermit mode, wala siyang parang ayaw niya makipag-usap sa maraming tao, parang naging cold and distant. Ayan, so tingnan natin to. Ang nangyayari sa taong to. May energies tayo ng Virgo Aries. Strong Virgo Aries. Ayan, this person is crying. Feeling lost. Ayan with this pencil card. So, nanghihinayang talaga siya sa mga pagkakamali niya Ito kasing pencil na to, it's about mistake na gusto niyang ayusin. Gusto niyang ayusin lahat yung mga pagkakamali niya. Kasi pencil naman pwede pang burahin. Ayun nga lang, syempre, yung residue, nandun pa rin, hindi maiiwan kahit burahin, di ba? Kumbaga, yung pinagsulatan mo is bakat pa rin dun sa papel, kahit burahin mo. Di ba? So, tingnan natin. Candle and pillow. Ayan. Hindi talaga siya mapakali. Hindi makatulog. Gusto niyang ayusin itong mga pagkakamaling to. You have the key. Kuha tayo messages ng archangels natin. We have here Hello from Heaven by Archangel Azrael. Your loved ones in heaven are doing fine. Let go of worries and feel their loving blessings. Ayan. Okay, let's see sa ating tarot messages, oracle cards, and 333 angel number. Okay. We have here honesty is the best policy. I want solid foundations. I can't decide. Crying over you, feeling lost. See? This person is crying over you and feeling lost. It's a disaster. Talaga, oo, it's a disaster. Feeling niya kasi yung mundo niya is gumuguho, no? Talagang falling apart. The world is falling apart. Ganun ang pakiramdam niya. We have here my intuition choose you. Can you forgive me? And business is business. I want commitment sa bottom card. So, tingnan natin sa ating The Hidden Truth Oracle. I love you. Wow. My life is not as together as it seems. I know I messed up everything. Just being near you is intoxicating. I'm starting to understand our connection. So, ayan isa sa mga marirealize niya ngayon, lalo na at full moon. I'm so attracted to you. So many things remind me of you. And eto pa, I replay our conversations over and over. And I left when I saw you with someone. Oh, na naman tayo sa issue ng mga third parties. Ayan, yan ang hindi masayang party. Okay, kuha tayo ng initials. Letter R. Letter J. RJ. Namumuro si RJ. KN. NV. Letter P. O, sino mga buminggo na dyan? Letter N. Letter O and Z. Ayan mga initials natin. Kuha tayo ng blue card. Wow, soulmates. Chemistry. Ay, sayang naman ang lakas ng chemistry. And, all strings attached. Ayan, sayang naman. Lalo na kung kayo talaga ay merong malakas na chemistry or soulmate connection. Diba? Ay, nako. Maaaring iniwan ka nito sa ere, ha? Bigla ko kasing naano yung napa-o, diba? O, diba? Nakakaano, diba? Ako'y iniwan. At ako'y iniwan mo, yan. Mapapabuntong hininga ka na lang eh. General signs and messages tayo. Kaya kung willing naman talaga na ayusin, 'di ba? Why not? Ayan, ayusin ang mga pagkakamali at 'wag nang ulitin. Matuto na tayo sa mga lessons in life. Mountain card, focus na lang sa goals. Number 1, friendly. Sagittarius, National Capital Region, kind-hearted. Patience please. Libra. Shy at first, November, neighbor, sarcastic, past person, talented. Okay, ano, itong full moon na to para talaga to malaki ang impact ng full moon na to, especially sa mga twin flames in separation. Ayan. Need more signs daw. Okay. Killer smile, number 9, plastic persons. Huwag na kayo makinig sa mga plastic persons, ha? Caring, 4, Scorpio, North PH, Aquarius, Animal Lover, once is Fire Sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, June, Sweet, Aries, ayan o, marami nag-i-stock ngayon, and Chaser. Ayan, habulan na kayo dyan. Sige, maghabulan kayo. Ayan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.